Guys, I really like this song and my friend is right now in hospital, so I hope she will get better soon and I'll try the English version. Let's do it!
Maybe you have heard him speak out in the lover's voice. He was telling his concerns he might have. He might be in the last place with you, in your nightmares too, always with you. If you see him, please don't just stand out. Oh God, can you let me feel your holy sign? Even we are still lost and worrying about them.
Guys, I already sang this song in English, but a lot of my subscribers wanna hear it in Chinese, like original version. So today I'm gonna do it.
或许你也听过他说话，低沉或嘶哑，那是他在倾诉他的牵挂。他也许在最后的地点，在你的身边，在你的梦魇。如果看见他，请别害怕。可不可以让我感受一下？看在我们的彼此都放心不下。
Guys, I already sang this Chinese song in English and in Chinese, and because a lot of my Czech subscribers wanna hear it in Czech language, so today I'm gonna do it. Dneska to bude česky.
Možná si ho už taky slyšel, chraplavým hlasem vyjadřuje se, když se obává. Může být na vzdáleném místě, kde ho nečekáš, po tvém boku v noční můře, nebo jak se zeptáš. Necháš mě, abych se mohla dotknout, denně se bojíme